Please like my video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Now today, chapter number 1 similarity, standard 10th. Little about that. You have studied already basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, property of angle bisector theorem and property of intercepts made by three parallel lines. Now these theorems and properties how to use in the example and how to solve example practice set 1.2 by using these theorems, properties and axioms. Now let's see one example. First of all, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC given. If DB is equal to 5.4 cm, AD is equal to 1.8 cm, EC is equal to 7.2 cm, then find AE. Figure also given. Triangle ABC given, DE side given, it is parallel to BC. Now what is given? Focus on that. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. You can get idea immediately. If a triangle given and one side parallel to any line of a triangle or any line parallel to any side of a triangle, then you have to use basic proportionality theorem. Means we confirm we have to use basic proportionality theorem. Now next, DB 5.4 cm given. So I am writing AD 1.8 cm. EC 7.2 cm. This is about given whole thing. And then what you have to find? AE distance you have to find. Now start. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. What is given? That I am not writing. Therefore, by using basic proportionality theorem, therefore by basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DE is equal to AD upon EC. Now substitute the values given in this mathematical form. AD is 1.8. Units not necessary to write. And before solving any example in mathematics, see the units are same or not. If units are not same, then convert into same units and then solve. So here units are same, not necessary to convert. So not necessary to write only. After writing answer, we have to reduce that units. Now dB is equal to 5.4. B is equal to A, nothing given. So keep adding. AC was 7.2. From where we got this? Given. So arrow to same sign, upside 2 dots, downside 1 dot. This reason, since given. Reason we are given. Now solve this by cross multiplication. This cross, what you have to find? That cross right at left side. Therefore, 5.4 multiplied by 3. This cross multiplication right at left. And numbers only right at right. This cross multiplication right in the right place. What you have to find A, that key at left side of equation. And this keep adding numbers. Now this we don't want here. So 5.4 here multiply. After going right side, it will be divide. Now we have to move decimals. The AE. If you move right to left 1 digit, here also right to left 1 digit. Means you have to move 2 digits in the numerator's place. So 18 into 72. And here, if numerator you move 2 digits right, then the denominator also you have to move 2 digits at right side. So 54. Here it was your decimal point. Now here we will then 1 digit, then use 1 0. Means 2 digits we have 1, 2. So if the numbers are not there, then puts zeros in front of that number. So this try to understand. Without decimal we have to divide or multiply. With decimal we can't divide. So now 18 and this 54 in which table? In 18 table. 81 da, 83 da, 18 0. Now 72 and 30 in which table? It is in 3 table. 3 10 da, 3 2 da, 6, then carry 1, 3 4 da. Now 24 into 1, 24 is in numerator's place and 10 is in the denominator's place. Therefore, A is equal to 24 into 1, 24 and divided by 10. Therefore, A is equal to, if you divide by 10, is after 1 0, then move digit left side. So 2.4. Now what you have to find? A. So A's value is 2.4. Now unit is what? Centimeter. So write centimeter. And again C1. What is given? That try to understand. According to that, use the theorem. Write mathematical form of the theorem. Substitute that values. Do calculations correct and find answer. After writing this answer, write clearly if necessary. This is about example number 1. Now, second example, see. In triangle PQR, PM is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20, NR is equal to 8. State whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. Give reason. Means what? What is given? Figure also given. In triangle PQR, PM is equal to 15. You have to write it. PQ is equal to what? This distance. 25. PR is equal to 20, this whole distance. And NR is equal to 8, this distance. This is given. And what we have to show? State line NM is parallel to side RQ. Is line NM parallel to side RQ? When we can say? Give reason given. So when we can say NM parallel to RQ? See. In PPT, if one line parallel to any side of a triangle, then the ratio of remaining sides are in proportion. This is about PPT. But in converse of PPT, if the ratio of that remaining sides are in proportion, then the given line intersects that two lines is parallel to the third side of the triangle. This is about converse of PPT. That converse of PPT we have to use here, because here segments, values of segments given. So take ratio Pn upon Nr. What you will get? That consider number 1. Pm upon N2. What you will get? That consider number 2. From 1 and 2, if the both values are same, then that ratios are proportional. So this line intersecting these two lines is parallel to third side, means RQ. And if the ratios are not in proportion, these values are getting different, then this Nm is not parallel to RQ. By using converse of PPT, basic proportionality theorem. So how to solve? Now here Pn ratio, this Pn segment that intersect not given. Here MQ also not given. So try to find first this Pn by giving PR and NR. Afterwards find MQ by giving PQ and PM. This try to find out first and then substitute that value. Now take one by one. By using this figure, first we are finding Pn plus Nr, like Pn plus Nr is equal to PR. What is the reason? P dash and dash R, means P and R are collinear. The points P and R are collinear, so we can add or subtract. Means Pn plus Nr is equal to whole distance PR. Now substitute value. Pn not given, plus Nr is given at PR is 20. This is given. Therefore Pn is equal to This 20 keep as it is. Plus 8 after going right side minus. Therefore, Pn is equal to. Different sign, we have to subtract. 20 minus 8, 12. And give bigger number sign, is plus. So, Pn is equal to 12. This is the value. All this equation number 1. Same way, similarly, we can find value of M2. Similarly, Pm plus M2 is equal to P dash, P is equal to P. Reason is P dash, M dash, Q. Pm plus M2 is equal to PQ. Reason is P dash, M dash, Q. All out one. Therefore, Pm is 50. M2 we have to find. PQ 25. This is Q. Now we have to find M2. MQ is equal to 25 minus 50. 25 keep as this will plus 15 after going right side minus 50. Now different sign we have to subtract. 25 minus 50 10. Bigger number sign plus. So MQ is equal to 10. This second result we got. Now take ratios. Now what value we got? Pn is equal to 12 got. MQ is equal to 10 got. Now take ratios. Now Pn upon Nr is equal to 12 upon 8. 4 to the 4 3 to 3 upon this is equation number 3. Means value of Pn upon Nr we got 3 and Pm upon M2 15 upon 10 after substituting. 15 and 10 into which table? 5 table. So 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15. 3 upon 2 is the answer. Now see, Pn upon Nr and Pm upon M2. These two ratios have got same values, 3 upon 2 or 3 upon 2. Now, if right side is equal to right side, then left side is equal to left side, we can write. Otherwise, both ratios are same, then values of these ratios are equal. So, they are in proportion. Therefore, from 3 and 4, what we can write? Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon M2. Result from 3 and 4. If these two ratios are equal, Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon M2. These two ratios are equal, means they are in proportion. If they are in proportion, then side NN or line NN parallel to side RP. Segment NN parallel to side RP. Therefore, segment NN parallel to side RP. Reason is what? By converse of BP. This is the reason. Now see the question. In triangle PQR, P is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20 and NR is equal to 8. This is Q1. State whether the line NR parallel to side RQ. Give reason. Yes. Segment NR parallel to side RQ by converse of BP. See, give reason. Ask. So this is the reason. By converse of BPT, this segment is parallel to side RQ. This is about the proof or solution of this example number 1 and 2. Now let us see afterwards in next time. So another examples. This is about BPT and converse of BPT. Now properties of intercepts made by 3 parallel lines and property of angle bisector theorem. On that we have to see in another session. Thank you. Please like my video, share it.